In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use locations in QuickBooks Online. Locations let you tag transactions by store, region, business unit, or any high-level segment you want to track. Turning this on helps you slice your reports by where income and expenses happen, so you can quickly see which parts of the business are performing best. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and look for the gear-shaped settings icon in the upper right corner of your screen. From there, open Account and Settings. In the Settings window, select the Advanced tab on the left. Scroll down to the section labeled Categories. Here, you'll find the option to track locations. Turn this on. When you enable it, QuickBooks will add a location field to supported transactions and forms. Click Save to apply the change, then close the Settings panel to return to your dashboard. Now that locations are enabled, let's put them to use. Head to the Accounting area, open a transaction you want to tag. This could be something like a sales form or an expense that supports locations. On the transaction, find the location field. If you haven't set up any locations yet, you can create one of these on the fly. Click the location field, then choose Add New. Enter a clear, consistent location. Name something like Downtown, Warehouse East, or Online Store. Aim for names your whole team will understand at a glance. Click Save. That adds the new location to your list and makes it available for selection right away on this and future transactions. A few helpful tips as you work. Locations apply to the entire transaction, not per line. If you need line-by-line segmentation, use classes alongside locations. Keep your naming simple and standardized so your reports are clean and easy to analyze. If you don't see the location field after turning it on, refresh your browser and reopen the transaction. Also, make sure you have the right permissions in QuickBooks Online, as some settings and fields are only visible to admins or users with sufficient access. From here, continue assigning the correct location whenever you create or review transactions. Over time, this small habit builds powerful reporting. You'll be able to run profit and loss by location, compare trends across branches, and make decisions with confidence. That's it. Enable locations in Settings, save, and then assign or create a location directly from the location field on your transactions. Simple, consistent, and incredibly useful for meaningful financial insights.